Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain the topic product life cycle in second unit. Product life cycle, second unit. Here we have to understand about what are the stages in product life cycle and channels of distribution and marketing strategies. Coming to the first one, product life cycle. What is product? What is the meaning of product? A product is a physical good or service. A product is a physical good or service. It is capable of satisfying the buyer needs. It is satisfying the buyer needs. That is known as a product. And the next, the product life cycle is the course of the life of a product from when the product is in development to after it has been removed from the market. This period is known as product life cycle. When the product is in the development to after it has been removed from the market, that is known as product life cycle. The product life cycle is a product goes through first introduced into the market. Declines it moves from the market. Life cycle has 4 stages: growth, maturity, and decline. These are the product life cycle. Product is a physical phase. It is satisfied buyer needs. A product life cycle has 4 stages, that is introduction stage, growth, maturity, and decline. This is a graphical representation of product life cycle. Here we have and here have to take these are all the 4 stages. First one introduction, second one growth, and third one maturity or stabilization, and the fourth one decline. This is the graphical representation about product life cycle. In this graph, we have to observe in the intersection stage, sales is very low. Sales is very low. And the next growth stage, come to the growth stage, sales will increase. The trend, the trend line is increasing trend. It means sales increasing trend. And the next maturity stage, here sales are constant. Sales are constant. And finally decline stage. Here sales is going to the declining rate. This is the graphical representation of product life cycle. And the next one, come to the introduction stage. Once a product has been developed, the first stage is its introduction stage. Once a product has been developed, that is known as intersection stage. In this stage, the product is being released into the market. In this stage, the product is being released into the market. When a new product is released, it is often a high stakes time in the product life cycle, although it does not necessarily make or break the product's eventual success. And the next, during the introduction stage, marketing and promotion are at a high, and the company often invests the most in promoting the product and getting into the hands of consumers. In the introduction stage, companies are invested more and more capital into publicity of that product, promotion of that product, and it is in the stage that the company is first able to get a sense of how customers respond to the product. Based on the product quality, customers respond different types, like some consumers are like the product, and some consumers are not like that product. So here it is in this stage that the company is first able to get a sense of how consumers respond to the product, if they like it, and how successful it may be. However, it is also often a heavy period for the company with no guarantee the product will pay for itself through sales. This is the introduction stage regarding the product life cycle. Coming to the second stage, growth. In this stage, growth stage, consumers are already taking into the product and increasingly buying it. In this stage, customers are purchased regularly. Continuous purchases are there. The product concept is proven and is becoming more popular, and sales are increasing. In this stage, other companies become aware of the product and its space in the market, which is beginning to draw attention and increasingly pull in revenue. If competition for the product is especially high, the company may still heavily invest in advertising and promotion of the product to beat out competitors. As a result of the product growing, the market itself tends to expand. The product in the growth stage is typically tweaked to improve functions and features of the product. As the market expands, more competition often drives prices down to the market, the specific products competitive. However, sales are usually increasing in the volume and generating revenue. Marketing in this stage is aimed at increasing the product's market share. This is the growth stage. And the next one, maturity stage. When a product reaches maturity, its sales sales tend to slow or even stop, signaling a already saturated market. At this point, sales can even start to drop. Pricing at this stage can tend to get competitive, signaling margin shrinking as prices been falling due to the weight of outside pressures like competition or lower demand. Marketing at this point is targeted at fending off competition, and companies will often develop new or altered products to reach different market segments. Given the highly saturated market, it is typically in the maturity stage of a product that less successful competitors are pushed out of competition, often called the shakeout point, known as shakeout point. In this stage, innovating to maintain increase their market share, changing or adapting their product to meet with new demographics or developing technologies. This is the maturity stage. And next, fourth stage is decline. Although companies will generally attempt to keep the product alive in the maturity stage as long as possible, decline for every product is in the decline stage, product sales drop significantly and consumers' behavior changes. In this stage, product sales are decreasing and consumers' behavior changes as there is less demand for the product. The company's product loses more and more market share. In this stage, company product sales loss more and more market share, and competition tends to cause sales to deteriorate. This is the declining stage. The product cycle, we have four stages. That is, first one, introduction stage, second one, growth, third one, maturity, fourth one, decline. In the intersection stage, sales are very low because of newly introduced into the product, introduced into the market. So, in this stage, sales are very low, and comes under growth stage. Sales are rapidly growing. It means customers are tend to buy more and more. In this stage, sales are very high. Sales volume, sales value are very high. And comes to the maturity stage. In this stage, sales are constant. The graph represents the product life cycle graph represents in the maturity stage are here. See here, sales are constant. It means customers are tends to buy low purchases are there. Comes to the declining stage, sales will goes to the decreasing rate. The line goes to the decreasing rate. This is about the product life cycle. These are all the stages in the product life cycle. Introduction stage, growth stage, maturity or stabilization, and declining stage. And the next one, channels of distribution. Channels of distribution. Channels of distribution refers to the way and the means of reaching the customer through the intermediaries such as wholesalers, retailers, and other agencies, if any. This is known as channels of distribution. A product manufactured and that product goes to the customer. The entire process, there are some intermediaries such as wholesalers, maybe retailers, or any agencies acting as intermediaries. This channel is known as channels of distribution. Channels of distribution refers to the way and the means of reaching the customer through the areas such as wholesalers, retailers, and agencies. It is known as channels of distribution. Some types of their types of channels of distribution. That is first way, manufacturers to consumers. Manufacturer to consumers. And the second way, manufacturer, wholesaler, consumer. Here, wholesalers are acting as intermediaries. Finally, consumer gets the product and the manufacturer product manufacturing in the manufacturing factories. And the next, manufacturer, retailer, consumer. And the next, manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, consumer. These are all the four ways to reaching the consumer. Come to the first way, first channel, manufacturer to consumer. Manufacturer to consumer. This is direct market channel. This is a direct market channel where the manufacturer contacts the customer directly without involving middlemen or intermediaries. This route is mostly followed by manufacturers of industrial goods. This route is mostly followed by manufacturers of industrial goods such as airplanes, turbo engines, ships, and other high-value capital goods. Here there is no intermediaries or middlemen. Here manufacturers are directly contact with customers, consumers. And the next type of channel, manufacturer, wholesaler, consumer. The channel is primarily used in the case of industrial goods and heavy and high value consumer durable products. The wholesaler in the channel buy goods from many manufacturers, stock and subsequently sell them through internet or directly to the customers. Here wholesalers are acting as middlemen or intermediaries among the manufacturer and consumers. Wholesalers are buy more quantity of products indirectly from manufacturers, and then they are sold to the consumers This is another way of channels of distribution: manufacturer, wholesaler, and consumer. The first one is manufacturer consumer. This is the direct channel. There is no intermediaries among the manufacturer and consumers. And the second channel is manufacturer, wholesaler, and consumers. And the next one, manufacturer, retailer, consumer. In this way, we see retailer acting as a middleman or intermediaries among the manufacturer and consumers. He buys low quantity from the manufacturers and sell to them consumers directly. Here, large retailing chains including supermarkets use this channel to buy products in large quantities from manufacturers at a very competitive price and sell the same to the ultimate consumers. This is the another way of channels of distribution. And the fourth one is manufacturers, wholesalers, retailer, consumer. This is a chain widely followed for fast-moving consumer goods which are likely to have mass market. In the channel, we see wholesalers and retailers. Here, wholesalers are buy directly from manufacturers large quantity, and then they are selling to retailers low quantity, and retailers are directly selling to the ultimate consumers. Here, wholesalers and retailers are acting as intermediaries or middlemen among the manufacturer and consumers. This is the fourth way or channel of distribution. See here, there are four channels of distribution, types of channels of distribution, four channels: manufacturers to consumer, manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to consumer, and the next manufacturer to retailer to consumer, and the next manufacturer, wholesaler to retailer to consumer. All the four types of channels of distribution. See, fourth way, manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, consumer. This is a chain widely followed for fast-moving consumer goods which are likely to have mass market. When the consumers are large in number, widely dispersed demographically, and products are of low value, the channel is favored. Manufacturers would find it prohibitively expensive to set up their own outlets in such circumstances. This is the fourth way of channels of distribution. And the next topic is marketing strategies. Next topic is marketing strategies. A marketing strategy refers to a business overall game plan for reaching prospective consumers and turning them into customers of the products or service the business provides. This is the meaning of a marketing strategy. Marketing strategy refers to a business overall game plan for reaching prospective consumers and turning them into customers of the product or service the business provides. Here, some of these strategies, that is the first one, paid advertising, cause marketing, relationship marketing, undercover marketing, word of mouth, internet marketing, transactional marketing, diversity marketing. These are all the strategies of marketing. Come to the first one, paid advertising. This includes multiple approaches for marketing. Traditional approaches like TV, print media, advertising, and internet marketing. These are all the comes under paid advertising. And the next one, cause marketing. Cause marketing links the services and products of a company to a social cause or issue. It is also well known as cause-related marketing. Cause-related marketing. Cause marketing links the services and products of a company to a social cause or a social issue. It is also well known as cause-related marketing. And the next, relationship marketing. This type of marketing is basically focused on customer building, enhancing existing relationships with customers and improving customer loyalty. This is known as relationship marketing. This type of marketing is basically focused on customer building, enhancing existing relationships with the customers and improving customer loyalty. And the next one, undercover marketing. This type of marketing strategy focuses on marketing the products while customers remain unaware of the marketing strategy. It is also known as a stealth marketing strategy. This is known as undercover marketing. And the next, word of mouth. It totally relies on what impression you leave on people. It is traditionally the most important type of marketing strategy is word of mouth. In any business, this strategy is very important. This is of because of it is a traditional strategy, word of mouth. And the next one, internet marketing. It is also known as cloud marketing. It is also known as cloud marketing. It usually happens over the internet. It is also known as cloud marketing, internet marketing. And the next, transactional marketing strategy. Sales is particularly the most challenging work, even for the target retailers. Selling is always tough, especially when there are high volume targets. This is known as transactional marketing strategy. Sales is particularly the most challenging work, even for the target retailers. Selling is always tough, especially when there are high volume. different marketing strategies, aspects like cluster, beliefs, attitudes, views, and other specific needs. This is known as diversity marketing. These are all the strategies of marketing: paid advertising, cause marketing, relationship marketing, undercover marketing, word of mouth, internet marketing, transactional marketing, diversity marketing. This is about strategies of marketing. These marketing strategies are strategies are based on the product life cycle, changes in the focus of marketing strategies. Changes in the focus of marketing strategies is based on product life cycle. Based on the product life cycle, the top level management deciding the what type of strategy you have to follow, particularly in the time of product life cycle. It means introduction stage or growth or maturity or decline. Based on product life cycle stages, the marketing managers are follow the marketing strategies. This is about marketing strategies. In this class, we have covered three topics. That is product life cycle. Second one is channels of distribution. Third one is marketing strategies. In this product life cycle, we have four stages. We have four stages: introduction stage, growth stage, maturity, and decline. And channels of distribution, we have four channels. That is manufacturer to consumer, manufacturer to wholesaler to consumer, manufacturer to retailer, retailer to consumer, and manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to consumer. This is about channels of distribution. And next, this is about marketing strategies: paid advertising, cause marketing, relationship marketing, undercover marketing, word of mouth, internet marketing, transactional marketing, diversity marketing. Okay, thank you.